Hey, I'm Steve, and we are here in Lower Park Avenue, where I'm going to show you this beautiful townhouse from 1865, but newly renovated. Come on in. As they say, first impressions are everything. In this house, it surely doesn't disappoint. Floor to ceiling, the home is filled with original details that you notice the moment you walk in. And if 6 stories scares you, maybe we'll save the elevator for later. It's probably on the 6th floor. Besides, I want to show you the rest of the parlor floor. Come into the living space, it's insane. This dramatic opening, it really lets you know that you've arrived. Here you have the first of 7 fireplaces throughout the home with a beautiful marble mantle. With 13-foot ceilings, the proportions of this living room are incredible and perfect for entertaining. There's even room for a grand piano. So whenever you have a cocktail party and you like to tickle the ivory, better than I thought. Stepping out here makes you feel like you're walking into your own urban forest. Look at this. You have mature trees, you have ivy growing up the walls, and this entertainer's terrace overlooks the beautiful serene garden below where you could dine al fresco. What more can you ask for in a townhouse? Well, I'm about to show you. Follow me. Let's head down to the garden level where there's an open kitchen and even more space to entertain. When you come downstairs, you could really appreciate the length of this home. At 60 feet, you could get a workout running front to back. Facing south, you have this incredible chef's kitchen. Who said less is more? This kitchen literally has 2 of everything. In keeping with the theme of 2s, there's 2 eating areas, a casual breakfast nook off the kitchen and a more formal dining area right here. Imagine having a dinner party here, mixing drinks at the bar, all in front of a flickering, wood-burning fireplace. And right this way, you have a more relaxed vibe, right before you hit the garden. This home is your own slice of paradise. Let's go see the bedrooms upstairs, but why walk when you could ride? Sorry, business. We made it. So on the wait, wrong floor. Serves me right for being on my phone. But this is a great opportunity for me to remind you that this home has 5 bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bath and unique perspective of New York City. Follow me upstairs, let me finally show you the master suite. The entire 4th floor of this townhouse is dedicated exclusively to the master suite. And it is, in a word, masterful. The moment you step in, it feels so serene in here. That might be because it's pin drop quiet. This master bedroom literally has it all. Wood-burning fireplace, moldings, 2 walk-in closets, luxurious spa bathroom, and there's even full-length casement doors that open with an even better iconic New York City view. The Chrysler Building, right above your head, off your master, in a townhouse. It doesn't get more romantic than that. I have one more thing to show you. Come on up. We made it. We are now on the 6th and final floor of this nearly 7,000 square foot townhouse. And what a top floor it is. You have a bonus entertaining area, a full kitchenette, and a rooftop with another view. So I hope you enjoyed taking a tour with me of this incredible, one-of-a-kind townhouse. And guess what? It could be yours. Call me. Ciao.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?